I noticed first about the health checks when I'm walking around in the community. I then received a letter from my own surgery asking to contact the health professionals to arrange a visit for them to go through a few health checks. So I rang this number. The lady on the phone arranged a suitable time. The venue was in a community area, so I was able to access it quite easily. When I arrived, I was introduced to one of the health support workers, Laura. There was checks for the cholesterol, the blood pressure, height, the weight, the waist, and she talked me through these, explaining in detail and giving me the time to explain, which I found really nice because the GP has not always got this time to explain everything. And we discovered that my cholesterol, low slightly high, with doing slight changes like to exercise and light diet with the oil fish, that would benefit my heart age, because she explained that though it was good, I could bring it down slightly better. And then I was given a handout to explain all this so I could go and read it later. We don't really know what goes on in our own bodies, but it's half an hour of somebody's time. It's doing all the basic checks that would normally take getting an appointment with a GP, getting to the surgery, and some of these tests, could take a while where you're having the results there and then. At my age, I feel I need to be looking after my own self. I like to be here in a couple of years' time looking after my grandchildren. Because my cholesterol was slightly high, I've changed my eating. I'm eating more oily fish, and I'm getting out and about, walking a little bit more at a faster pace, because I know it's all nice to walk, but we need to push that heart. So that's what I think is going to make the difference, because I know I can make it better. With the health professionals, I found more relaxed. They spent time explaining, and having these health checks have empowered me to decide what I'm going to do for myself. I know it's going to make a difference. Taking part with these health checks as part of the Living Well and Living Longer programme is going to impact on my life in a positive way. If you are worried about having one of these health checks, I would definitely say go for it. At the end of the day, it doesn't cost anything. It's half an hour of your time that could make a vast difference to your quality of life. Isn't it nice to know that if there is something wrong, that you can do something about it? I'm glad I've had it done. The staff were welcoming, they've made me feel relaxed, and I know it's going to make a big difference to my quality of life.